Hello everyone, this is Bhanush and welcome back to Be10x YouTube channel. In this video, we have an exciting topic to discuss and that's Leonardo AI in education. I hope you guys already know what exactly is Leonardo AI. So Leonardo AI is a generative AI where you can generate a stunning images based on the prompt you give and you can customize it, and also there is a data sets which you can train on your own, and also you can generate a motion images nowadays, and it's an extra feature added in it. And with the power of Leonardo AI, you can create a production quality visual assets for your projects with unprecedented quality, speed, and style consistency. And these all the basic features of Leonardo AI. So let's see how exactly we can use Leonardo AI in the education.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
So first let's log into Leonardo AI. So let's click on create an account. If you have already an account, it's well and good. If you don't have, you will get an option to log in with Gmail, or also you can give an option of email over there and you will be redirected to the interface like this. All right. Now we have an image generation feature and also real-time canvas feature. So basically image generation you already know, so giving a prompt and getting an image as an output. And real-time canvas is something where if you draw something, that will be generated as an image, right? So this is actually a very great feature, you can use that. And also we have canvas editor where we can refine and add details to the already present image, right? If we want to enlarge the image size and also add some other background to it, we can do that. And these guys, this is actually a stunning feature in the Leonardo AI where you can do a motion of an image, right? In a video format it will be done. So let's say we take an image and do the thing, right? Before moving further, I wanted to tell you that we at Be10x offer in-depth workshops on AI tools for just rupees 9. And in this workshop, you will be mentored by two alumni of IIT Kharagpur. So take the first step towards mastering AI tools and prompt engineering skills with Be10x. That's right, a small investment for a big leap in your knowledge. Click the link in the description to access our workshops and unlock your AI potential today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your AI journey with Be10x now. So now let's see how we can use image generation in the education domain, right? So let's say first we'll give a prompt something like this. Let's assume we are doing a project for our AR and VR technology, which is given from our college. And now your prompt goes like this. Create a stunning image for the project of augmented and virtual reality. So now let's click on generate and see the output from there. Okay. All right. Now actually it prepares from a scratch. So it takes some time to be generated, right? And have a patience till then. And all right guys, we have already generated it. See, look at this image. So based on this image or the generated output, we can get the quality that it provides us, right? So like this we can generate whatever the images we require to our education, right? This is really a stunning thing which we can involve. And now this is about AI image generation, and also you can give a descriptive prompt so that you will get a very great and very specific output for you based on your convenience. And now this is about image generation, and now we'll see how we can do this real-time canvas, right? So now let's start with our drawing, right? So don't please mind, my drawing is not that great. So look at this guys, look at this. I have drawn something like flower and rat, but it has come up with an devil or scary face. Like this, whatever you want, you can try it. So the same drawing which you do will be generated into an image over here. And now let's see how we can do this Canva editor, where we'll get an features like expanding our background and doing something really great. So now here you can get an image into it, you can add, and also you can give a prompt here. Based on this prompt, you can also edit based on your customization. And once it's done, like for uploading image, you have to go here. So once the image is uploaded, you can continue with editing. And also you can if you can give a prompt like increase my background, and it will be done. Okay, so based on this, you'll be able to edit the perfect one based on your requirement. Okay, then later on you can download it, the download button over here. Okay, all right, this is about Canvas editor. And also you'll get motion. This is actually a required field where you can get stunning kind of things here, right? So now let's get into this. Look at this, guys. It's saying that simply click the image to motion button on any image on the AI image gen page or your feed, right? Whatever the images we download or we create over the Leonardo AI platform, we can get an option, something called image to motion, right? If we can click on that, we'll get an complete motion video of that particular image, right? So this is about the instructions by this motion thing. And now let's see how exactly that works. So let's go to image generation, and we'll work on it, the image which we have already generated. So look at this, guys. So now it's a feature called generate motion video. So now you can click on this to look into the exact video which we want, right? So motion strength, for strength, let's keep it 5. So it is a normal and minimal one, it's okay. And let's click on generate, and it takes some time because in the background and all, it will start motioning, right? So that it requires some time. Have a patience until then. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, you will get some certain cookies here, like 120 to 130 cookies daily, so that you can use these cookies to do your whatever works in Leonardo AI. I mean to generate videos, like motion videos or images. And all right, guys, your video has been generated. And this is how you can get help of Leonardo AI into your education. And also you'll have a great features, something like data set, right? Training your data set, as I told in the beginning of the video. I think you remember that. So this option helps you in preparing your own model, right? Whatever model you want, based on that you can train it. And also you can upload some of the images. Based on that, it will give you a very exact or particular image output for your project, right? And that's it about Leonardo AI. And also, if you want to know more AI tools like this, you can join our AI workshop. The link for the AI workshop is in the description. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.